Imagine sitting at your favorite coffee shop, your phone in your phone in your pocket, Bluetooth on, and someone, without touching you, without even looking at you, silently takes control of your phone. Scary? Welcome to the dark side of Bluetooth hacking. Today, we're not just talking about it, we're doing it. In this video, I'm hacking my own garbage phone. Well, it's not exactly garbage. It still works. Get ready. It's all real. And before we start, disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. I do not promote illegal activities. Always hack ethically. All right, hackers. First things first, we got to turn on Bluetooth on the target device. Yeah, even on this garbage phone, that's actually working perfectly fine. Now, setting up our Bluetooth hacking lab starts with opening a terminal. Type this command, sudo apt install github.com/pyblues/pyblues.git. Why clone like this? Because if you just git clone, you'll face a mountain of limitations, and nobody's got time for that. Next, navigate into the directory, cd pyblues. Let's peek into the files, ls.das. Now, time to install it. Sudo python3 setup.py install. Boom! Your lab is ready to roll. But hold up, you need a Bluetooth adapter. I'm using Kali Linux from a bootable pen drive. If you're on VMware, you must have a Panda Bluetooth adapter. Link in description, check it out. Now power up the adapter. Sudo hciconfig wlan 0 up. If you typed it wrong, don't cry. Just retype it. We all been there. Now, scan for targets. Type Bluetooth CL, scan on. But wait, before scanning, make sure Bluetooth is enabled inside Kali Linux itself. If not, you're basically dancing in an empty room. Note down the target MAC address anywhere safe. Notepad, mousepad, I don't care, just don't forget it. Scanning, Control-Z and Control-C. Now, time for big tools. Install these all-in-one directories with one command. Commands in description, go check. Next, install BlueZ-Git into Kali using git clone. Compile necessary files with GCC. Then comes the real magic, Ducky. Clone Ducky, move into its folder, cd Ducky. Check files, lsl, give permissions, sudo chmod 755 blueduck.py. Finally, run it, python3 blueduck.py. Now, Ducky interface is live. Hit enter. It asks, use old Mac or scan new one, because I chose new, because new victim, new story. I'm hacking Android 10 today. If you want me to hack Android 14 next, drop a comment below. Follow the Ducky prompts, slow and steady, and then boom, we got remote access. I hacked this garbage phone like Akalesh hacked USB robot key. It's beautiful and terrifying. But remember, never pair with unknown Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth is your portal. Don't leave it wide open. Also, if you're discussing serious stuff or sensitive data, turn off your Bluetooth when not using it. Or better yet, use a burner phone. Today, we hacked through Bluetooth. But what if I told you hackers can even spy on you through your own earphones without you ever noticing? Sounds impossible? It's not. Click on the next video. Hackers can spy on you through your earphones, and you'll never know. Linked right here on the screen. You seriously don't want to miss this. Like, share, subscribe, follow me Instagram, because knowledge equals power. I am not a hacker. I am a seeker of truth. Stay curious. Stay safe.